Only thing is it might rain and there's no shelter here. Feel a bit like we're in Goonies. We thought there were a Cardiff River, but I don't know if there is. But that's not what we come to see anyway. So what happened was, we went to our local nature reserve where we normally go, and we wanted to be, a bit of peace and quiet and relax, and I thought I made this lovely little this is what we do to relax type video. And then I don't know whether we didn't know or we forgot, but turns out it's not open on Thursdays. We've come to this other nature reserve called Denso Marston Nature Reserve, which is near Shipley, and the guy who's the warden here, he sometimes goes up to Rodley, so that's how we heard about it, and we thought we'd come and have a look. It looks alright. I wasn't expecting much because it was quite difficult to find. Oh yeah, and I thought that come on Caroline, sort yourself out. See, I can't even form a sentence. I thought that it was going to be a bit rubbish because it was so hard to find, and actually it's quite nice. It's more woodlandy, this one. The one that we normally go to is just like wetlands and meadows. And today they've got a boggart hunt on at this one. So there's going to be a load of children arriving at about 1 o'clock. Which I don't know what time it is now, but I can assure you we won't be hanging around. I like coming places like this for peace and quiet. Oh, there's some bad stuff in that river, but it looks nice otherwise. So yeah, have you got up to say, Johnny?
Might not be too far. I don't know.
I thought that was that path that went up to the factory there.
That's what I thought. Just keep going, you can't, is it?
Oh, okay.
I just don't think this is nature reserve anymore.
Why do you think that? Because of the fact that there's stuff chucked in the river?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, we might have gone too far. I really don't like that smell. It must be them pink flowers, because every time I smell it I see them. Yeah, I think we possibly missed some of it, because he says it goes in a figure 8, and I won't get in a figure 8.
No. At the same time, I also don't feel like I missed up, so I don't know.
Come on then, show me this boggart.
Oh, everywhere.
Well, just show me one.
eyes, and that's his nose, and that's his gob.
Alright, okay.
Oh, there's a
Oh, I
there.
can see that one. Yeah, that one's better. Oh, okay, yeah.
Boggets everywhere.